Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a note comments to a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this comment option and here you will find this note option. Click here and put your mouse cursor where you want to put and place a note. A note placed here and you can up and down and move your pop-up note box and type your text or insert text on this pop-up box, and also I'll decrease this text font size and I'll increase this pop-up box, and here you can say the text color. You can increase decrease font size. Also you can align this text and so on, and scroll down and click on this pop-up note, and here you can say the pop-up note color and see this. You can see this custom color and select OK and see this, and again you can select and insert another pop-up notes and increase decrease this point box font size and type text and so on. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.